Hello. Today's problem is based on a circle and 7 points, arranged as is shown in the figure. Known is that AE is a diameter. Inscribed angle ABF, which we denote as angle alpha, is equal 81 degrees. Inscribed angle GDE, which we denote as beta, equals 76 degrees. And we need to find inscribed angle GCF, which we denote as gamma. And at this point, I would recommend to stop video and try to solve the problem yourself. Then please share your solution with us using comments section, and when you return, we will continue solution together. To solve the problem, we will use so-called the inscribed angle theorem. This theorem tells us that if we have a circle and we have an arc AB of this circle, and then considering inscribed angle which intercepts this arc, we denote this angle as theta, we can compare this angle with central angle which intercepts the same arc, and this angle will be equal to theta. This value of the angle at the same time is the angle measure of the arc AB. If we have another inscribed angle which intercepts the same arc, its value will be also theta. Now let's start solving our problem. First, what we do, we select arc AF, and using inscribed angle theorem, we can say that its angular measure is 2 alpha, or it is 162 degrees. Then we select arc GE, which is equal to beta, or 152 degrees. As a next step, we can see the arc AFE, which is equal 180 degrees because it intercepts diameter. Next, what we do, we will find arc FE. How to do this? We just find the difference between AFE and AF, and this is arc FE. We have here 180 degrees, and here we have AF 162 degrees. It is 18 degrees. Next step, we find arc GF, which is intercepted by unknown angle. So this is equal GE minus FE, or it is equal 152 minus 18 degrees, or 134 degrees. From inscribed angle theorem, we know that this arc is equal to gamma. From here, gamma is equal 134 degrees over 2, or equal 67 degrees. This is the answer in our problem. Problem is solved completely. Let me remind you that if you have your own solution, please share it with us using comment section. And finally, let's help Dr. G in his work on the future videos. You may support him with likes or dislikes, with positive or negative comments, and with subscription for the channel. Thank you for your help.